This is the Oral-B Genius X Limited. I'm going to show you why it is such a good deal, why it makes it such a special toothbrush, because it comes with artificial intelligence that helps improve your brushing experience. You also notice that Oral-B has interchangeable heads. You don't have to use this circular one. You can use a standard Oral-B. That's the beauty of Oral-B. All the heads are interchangeable across their line. It's also coming as one of the #1 recommended brands by dentists. So let's open it up. So we're gonna open this guy. And let's get it going. So that's exactly what you'll be receiving if you order the Oral-B Genius X Limited. You'll be receiving, first you get the case. So here you have the case. And this is not a charging case, this is just a travel case. So there's no USB, so this is not a charging case. This is a standard travel case. We'll place that here. Here is the actual Genius X Limited. So this is the actual tool. You'll notice that there's multiple modes right there in terms of cleaning, diamond cleaning, massage, tongue cleaning. They even have a tongue cleaning, and you connect it via Bluetooth. So that's a particular interesting feature. But let's take out everything outside the box. So you get one brush head in here. So you get that cylindrical brush head. You get your instruction manual and your warranty guide. So instruction manual, warranty guide, along with your charging cradle. So this is your charging cradle. I'm going to show you what the charging cradle looks like on your Oral-B. It is extremely well made. And it's going to surprise you because I like how the Oral-B charging cradle is very weighted on the bottom. No longer are you going to suffer from a very light charging cradle where it just can move around so easily and you push it and it falls on the floor. There we go. So that's what it looks like when it's charging. You have your charging indicator light on top. The Oral-Bs are give you a heavier charging cradle so it can stay in its place longer. Here's everything you get, right? It gives you all the instructions on how to use it in terms of your charging case, if you want to get accessories. You know, they even show you how to brush your teeth with it. You want to go in a circular motion, you can set the timer if you want, and you can look at your various modes. So here are all your modes right here. Here is everything you get. So this is going to connect to your smartphone. So let's do that together. So you can use this on iOS or on Android. I'm going to be using it on Android, but you can use it on iOS. This is going to be the Oral-B app. So here is the Oral-B app. You just want to install it. It's not a big file. It's not a big app. But this is going to help you monitor your brushing activity. So you'll see it's like 42 megabytes, and I'm walking you through all the steps here. 42 megabytes. Once it finishes downloading and installing, we're going to connect directly to our Oral-B Genius. All right, we'll connect to our Oral-B Genius here, and I will show you. Open. I will show you exactly what the Oral-B does. So here, connect your Oral-B. So we're going to start first, allow, connect your Oral-B, like, okay, so start. So press the power button. So it says press the power button here. So we're going to press the power button. And this is going to be found. So you can see that it's found it. Oh. And here we go. Yes, go ahead. Maybe later. You're all set. So that's the entire pairing process. It's a brushing app. So let's say I wanted to brush now. It's going to give you a screen which shows you your entire mouth. It also indicates your battery level there, and you can always refresh. So if you want to reconnect, you can. So you have your history. So if you turn it on, you're going to get your history of your brushing history and your score average, which is going to be determined by your coverage, pressure, brush time, gum guard, and additional run time. So this is going to have a lot of features that show you and gives you a lot of information about how you are brushing your teeth. So with the more information, you can make gradual and improvements to your brushing time. So let's say you're brushing only 30 seconds a day and you're supposed to brush a minute. You're going to know, it's going to alert you. Let's say you're putting too much pressure. You're going to know, it's going to alert you. And finally, let's just run it and I'll show you what that means. So your brushing score. This is your metal, so it'll keep track of your activity, and you have your settings. So you can change your brush head You can change your brush head and set that up here. So brush now. So we're going to brush. So let's brush. Let me show you what it looks like if you brush your teeth with this. And sorry, I can't see the chat right now, but if you guys have questions, I will get to it in a little bit. So here, we're going to set it. We're going to turn it on. We are on I'm on the clean mode, and you can see that the time is set. Oh, if I say put too much pressure, so it has a 2-minute timer, and what it does is it accurately tracks where you brush your teeth, how you brush your teeth if you're applying too much pressure. I'm going to show you everything right now. So, you see that? If you press too hard, it says reduce pressure. And we're finished. Or with the various information, your coverage area, your overpressure time, did you floss, did you clean your tongue, did you rinse? You can assign a working history of all your brushing activity to maximize your toothbrushing. So before I forget, how do you use the case? Well, the case is going to be simple. You just pop it open. The case will hold your brushes. One brush, the brushes will go here. You have your unit here. So you insert it right on the bottom. It goes in sideways. You guys see that? And you close it, and your case is done. So now this is going to be travel size. You can put it in your back pocket if you want. But this is the toothbrush. This is a toothbrush. It has the app. It's easy to use.